Because you know, actually the problem is not, my biggest problem is with the people who work for me who are meant to enforce these things. There's a great amount of cruelty. You know, people want to be nice to the boss and they treat people below them, subordinates, like shit. Excuse my language. You know, I mean, it's the Indian thing. You know, if someone comes in, if they speak English, they'll sit on the couch. If they speak Hindi, they'll sit on the floor. I mean, think about it. That's India.
Yeah, but we are as responsible for that as anyone else.
Well, I also it all goes back to being colonized. Let me be controversial.
Okay, go on.
Thank God to them that we have English. I can go anywhere in the world, this thing. And I just wish they ran our judiciary and our police. And you know what, Koel? In India, because there's a billion people, there's no value for life. There's this expressway built to Gurgaon. They never built over bridges for people to cross. So hundreds of people get off on their buses and they have to run across the expressway. So it's kind of daft. You build this expressway, you're meant to do 100 to 120 kilometers an hour, but there are people running in militant droves across. So I told my driver, ye sab paidal ja rahe, aap aaste koi jayega, aapko rokna hai. And when I started working with NAS, I can't remember who was the information broadcasting minister. They banned condom ads because they said it promotes licentious behavior. I mean, now what do you say?
I think that was Sushma Swaraj.
And I think there's a consciousness coming in India. I think the media has certainly been super responsible because they've been the custodians, you know, and they, you know, bust people and then someone's forced to take action. But let's face it, you know, we became completely anarchic in many ways. I mean, you know, money could take you anywhere, you could buy you anything. I mean, what is accountable?
2001 was a difficult year for you itself. And you talk about the media now being custodians of the truth and changing things.
But I think that they sensationalized it, and I don't think they were fair.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I mean, there was, you know, that thing. But it was all very sensationalized. And then what? Osama came and knocked down the World Trade Center, so it was forgotten.
Well, this is, for people who don't know, this was a cocaine dealer who was caught, and there was a bunch of phone numbers found, and one of them happened to be yours, right? Drugs are rife in our society, yes?
Completely. I mean, what? On Holi you can go out and get plastered on bhang, that's fine.